thanks for joining the second part of this VIA session. I would like now to show you the latest feature we have added to the product with the last release of firmware. And talking again about collaboration and wireless presentation, we now believe that it's even much more easier than before with the new features we have integrated. One of them is what we call the VIA pad. And it's a very nice accessory that you can add to your computer. It can be a Mac, it can be a Windows computer, and it will let you simply step in and step out just by touching the capacitive surface of our VIA pad. So now I am presenting. If I want now this Windows PC to present, I will just touch the pad, and then the Windows is now presenting its content. And if I want now to step out, so like again, and now my presentation is back to the main display. This accessory, of course, is not mandatory to use, it's just according to your need. If you feel that you like the way of having just a pad around your computer to step in and step out easily instead of looking into the application for the step in, step out button, it's up to you. This will be sold separately from the product, and you can decide how many of these devices you want to use with your computers. This will be available in early September, so 1.5 months from now. A new addition also is what we call the VIA Site Management. VIA Site Management is application software based on the web that, sorry? You want me to close that? Okay. So the VIA Site Management is an application software which is web-based and that allowing you in fact to manage all the units that you have deployed on your network. So imagine that now you're having 20 units deployed over your building and you want to monitor them and you want to push the new firmwares, you want to have some indication about the status of all these units. This is now possible. Whatever you are handling, both Collage or Connect Pro, mixing both of them, you can create different groups according to the place they are located into your corporate environment or university, and you can decide of default settings for each one of these groups. So it's all about monitoring, managing and updating all kinds of VIA deployed in your environment. This software also will be released during the summer, so we expect by the end of August that it will be available for you. We will have different license packages according to the number of units that you want to manage. If you need more information about that, you can contact, of course, your reseller. 4K support. So the VIA Collage is having 2 video outputs. One is a DisplayPort output, one is an HDMI output. Both of them are supporting 4K, so you decide which one you want to use, and now you can have up to 4 people at the same time displaying your full HD content and have them in perfect quality. New addition also is the Do Not Disturb feature. This is a feature that a lot of our customers were waiting for a long time. Sometimes you have a president of a company that is giving a teaser, whatever, in a big conference room, and he wants to make sure that nobody will disturb him, that nobody will suddenly step in, even if it's not let's say, a wish from him. Sometimes, you know, you push a button or you click on an icon and say, oh my god, I'm sorry, it was not planned. So this feature now is refraining everyone from doing that. I am the speaker, I activate the Do Not Disturb button. The only thing that the people attending the room can do is, with the Collage, is the view main display. So they will be able only to get a copy of the main display on their own device. All the other features are frozen. If you are using the Connect Pro, which does not support the view main display, but it supports the Do Not Disturb, in this case, all the features will be frozen during the Do Not Disturb feature is activated. We talked about the bring your own devices capability and the different OS available on the market. So until now we are supporting both Mac OS and Windows OS. We were also supporting Android and iOS for mobile devices. We are now introducing also an application for Windows Mobile. Some countries are very fond of using the Windows Mobile. There are a lot of devices on the market. I don't know if it's relevant for your specific market, but anyway, it will be here. And if you have customers that want to enjoy their Windows Mobile phone during the VIA sessions, they will be able to do that. So the application also will be released during the summer. You were probably already informed that VIA can be used in different languages. So until now we were supporting, of course, English, but also German and Russian. We have added new languages over the last months, so the Spanish, the Japanese, the Chinese, the French, and the Polish. Also, until now, the Collage was doing what we call the dynamic layout. So when 6 people are sharing the screen at the same time, automatically the display will arrange the 6 screen on the main display. Now you can also use what we call the thumbnail layout. The thumbnail layout gives you the opportunity to have one main presenter and all the other ones putting on the side as a thumbnail view, on the side or on the bottom of the screen, just in case of, let's say, waiting mode. And at any time, you can click on any of the presenters to make it as a main screen display. So maybe we can show you how it works. Okay, so new addition is the thumbnail view that is now allowing you to have a different layout of the presenters on the main screen. So with the dynamic layout, I don't have to decide anything. First one is on the left, the second one is taking the second part of the screen, and then I can have up to 6 people, and the screen will automatically generate which is the best place for everyone. With the thumbnail layout view, I can have all the presenters, like here on the left, in kind of standby mode, and at any time I can decide which one will now be the presenter. So if I want this image now to become the main one, I just double click on it and I see it, and come to this one, and come back to my presentation at any time. This is the left layout. We also have the bottom or the right layout, so you can decide whatever is the most convenient for you. So this is coming on the Collage product only. So we talked about the VIA site management. If you have a large deployment of units, it will help you now to monitor your site with all your products. We talked about the iOS mirroring on both Collage and Connect Pro. We talked also about the VIA pad that will arrive next month, and file sharing, thumbnail layout, 4K output, do not disturb mode, etc. So I think that with all these new features and the previous one that we talked about a little bit earlier, you now have a good product for wireless collaboration. We have also demonstrated 3 weeks ago during Infocom a very nice collaborative classroom, and I invite you to visit our YouTube channel and see the different videos that we have on the subject. It will explain you how you can create a collaborative classroom using the Collage Connect Pro product, one matrix, and a K-Touch solution for the teacher that can control everything which is going on into his room at any time. This is a very cost-effective solution for collaborative classroom, and again, visit our different videos, and we also have a leaflet talking about that if you need more information. And of course, you are always more than welcome to contact any one of your resellers for a demonstration. We'll be more than happy to show you what is the true collaboration by Kramer. Thank you.